Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to be going over the floor that I just currently installed in my garage from SwissTrax, and the color combination that I did was pearl gray and pearl silver. So once you get everything unboxed, they're all going to be labeled what color it is. You want to lay down a few rows that you can see here, and then basically move it either to the left or right if you have like a design so you could center everything properly. I wasn't able to push these tiles against the garage door like some of you guys can, just because in my situation I have a little, like a half-inch step down to the garage door, so I had to do it this way. And after I adjusted everything, as you could see, I'm gonna have to do some cuts on the outside. Before doing this SwissTrax tiles, I actually had another tile setup. What I did is for the past few years, I used peel back stick-on tiles. The combination was basically white and black. It looked very nice when it was new, and it looked nice for the most part. The issues that I had was it would stain if you spilled something. The other issue was it would scratch too. I mean, you would see scratches, but it wasn't that noticeable. But the most annoying part is when you would pull in with your car. If you move the steering wheel just a little bit, the tile will start to move side to side or shift or basically buckle a little bit. So it was annoying. So here's basically the installation process after I had everything nicely centered. So I just did the main part first, and then I did the borders later. You could do it whichever way you want it. For me, this was just a little bit easier since I was doing everything by myself. I used a table saw to cut the tiles, and that took me another 2 hours. And my garage is basically 22 by 22, so you could expect, 5-6 hours total, maybe 7 hours of doing a garage if you're doing everything by yourself. So here's the finished product with everything completed. I actually did this in the dead of winter, and I was able to test it out to see if it's slippery or not. And I gotta say, it isn't. We had a couple inches of snow. I pulled in with the car, the snow would just drip off. You could actually walk on the snow and walk into the tiles and no slipping at all. So there were just a little trimmings that I had to do, obviously around the stairs and the back wall as well, but that's going to be common for everybody. The best thing is just go to the website, go to the designer area, do a drawing kind of like what you see here, or whatever you want to choose the colors that you want to do, and basically submit it for a quote, and someone from SwissTrax will get back to you. I'll also put more information down in the description below regarding the process. Also, here are the instructions that will come in to show you how to lay the floor. Again, I'm very pleased with this product, and thanks for tuning in and watching this video. Have a good one.